everyone, it's Kavitha Prabhakar. I am the AI&E engineering leader, and I'm here with Faruk, who is our strategy and go-to-market leader for AI and engineering. We just came out of a 3-hour session, and the training session was focused on hands-on learning on how to build agents. And I will tell you, the most fun that we have had since a long time as leaders, because when you do, you learn. And when you learn, you can lead. And I think it was an incredible session where we got hands-on, and I had a few reflections. I'm sure Faruk had a few reflections in this journey. First of all, building agents is easier than you think. That's probably my number one takeaway. My second takeaway was it's probably almost underestimated, but it's such a moment to think about business process re-engineering and reimagining your business processes as you think about your agentic solution framework. And number three is fundamentally, we have to think about agents and the workforce together and redefine roles for agents as well as humans in the future. What was your takeaway, Faruk?
Yeah, I think, as you said, it was an exceptionally well-received session because you're actually building with the team agents. I've been surprised with amount of progress we've seen since the last time we did this. We're not just building agents, we were actually orchestrating multiple agents into workflows, leveraging multi-agent frameworks with relative ease. And I was also surprised to hear so many stories from our clients, how much adoption is agentic automation driving already in enterprise, contrary to what we've seen in the past where there's some doubts how quickly enterprise will adopt this. There's explosive growth from goal-based reflex agents all the way to the full workload automations, either in customer care or certainly in software engineering.
Absolutely. So when you think about software engineering, which is a big part of the business we're in, how are agents disrupting software engineering?
Yeah, I think of it, as lightning speed progress. We've started adopting use of Gen AI and Gen AI tooling and co-pilots rather early, well over 12 months ago, and seen significant gains. Now we're already in a space where using agents for each persona of the software development lifecycle, whether it's creating requirements and user stories, whether it's automation of testing, whether it's development of code and eventually deploying it. Each one of these personas actually has their personal assistant in an agent that drives productivity and speed.
Yes, absolutely. And if you want to learn more about this, please call us. Thank you.
Thanks.